Hey guys, what is up? I hope you're all having a fantastic day. And we've got SSM Marathon, alright? And if you're watching this a bit after the other video, yeah, I know, I literally just uploaded a video, it should have uploaded like 2 minutes ago. And yeah, so time for SSM Marathon. I forgot what we are, but you'll obviously be able to tell by the title. I know that our last one was Spider. I think Slenderman. Ah, dang it, slime. Bully. Alright, okay, it's got pretty good like weapons, which is good for attacking stuff. So yeah, that's good. I'm not sure if I can use thank you. No, you can't. At least I can thank some people. Alright, so I think Slime is a bit like Semic Slam or whatever that I'm gonna do this. So I need to get to know these. Alright. Oh wow, someone's already died. Okay, so I think I know how this works. I think it might be a bit like Cup Tackle. Like if you know the wolf kit. Oh no, how I genuinely think that they are just like really good and I'm just really bad. Genuinely. Alright now. Oh no, guys. Oh, we are already down to 2 lives. I think it's just that epic 2-on-2 like wolves. It's just those wolves. Oh no, I feel big time though. Alright, we did good on that one. Yes! Wait. Oh, you idiot! Stole my kill. Oh, no. Dang it. I'm so bad. Alright, I'm committing suicide. No, not really. I'm not that dumb. Ooh, well, I was really as dumb there. We did it. Just, alright. No. Hey, dodged. In fact, no, there was nothing lit to fight for. Oh my gosh, I hate Cup Tackle. Such a good move. Whatever move that was. Get out. Oh no. It's only, don't worry, it's only a wolf. It's only a wolf. They've only beaten me about all my life. I don't know, something like that. They're the people that are taking me out. I'm dangerous right here. Alright. Run. Oh no, the spider's getting up on me. Wait, no. Oh, yeah, I thought it was lit, just like me versus the 2 greens. So where's the yellow? The yellow's the one that kept on killing me. Then not very nice yellow. Alright, run away. Because we're noobs. We're not, I am though. I don't know why I say like we. It's a bit strange, it's a bit like football. I'm like, we did so well in football. I don't know why people say that. 1 more life. It's not gonna go very well. Is it? Okay. Oh, done! Oh, I thought I actually had that. I killed it. That's the one. That was the wolf that kept on killing me. Or the dog or whatever. He's alive. Wait, no, it's a different one. It's a different. Calm down. Calm down, Alexa. calm down, mate. Calm down, mate. Oh, I basically killed him there. I basically killed him. No! Okay, time to run away like a noob, guys. Alright. Oh, I didn't realize. Okay, but. Okay, we're gonna do another game. Hold on. Okay, guys. Still on the free kicks, sadly. Alright, let's go. It's party on fire. I guess I can't get my daily reward. Alright, I think I've got a good team. Oh, it's only skeleton. No, I've got a bad team. Why do I always have a bad teammate when I'm doing SSM marathon? I sometimes have some decent teams when I'm not doing marathon. Oh no, keep away from the snow. Oh. Phew. Away from the snow. It's bad to be near the snow. Well, that guy's actually not bad, I don't think. Oh wow, he actually got killed. I'm like, for a skeleton, that's sick. Alright. Hit someone with science now. Okay, no, I didn't really. Oh, I am already dead. Move. Oh, come on. Oh, dang, the ice path. Oh, I'm not. Oi. Oh, I killed it. I killed this idiot snowman. Did I kill that guy? Yeah, that's me. Oh, well, he's on 2 lives, so. Wait, did I get. Yes! Move! Alright, okay. I'm just going to kill that idiot snowman and that idiot enderman. I'm giving them all stupid names. That is so newbie. Hey, think about that. Think twice before you do that, alright? It's quite a bad idea. No. Oh, so bad. Where even is that? Dang it! One more life, guys. I literally just stopped talking. I sometimes just forget like that one. Yes! I killed it! Apparently, I probably didn't though. No! Alright, guys, we're doing well. Come on, die. Oh, look. No! I went out the game when he was on his last life. That is literally so long. I'll see if he can win it for me. Yeah, go for the power up. Ooh, no. Wait, is he on my team? No. What even is it? Oh, he hasn't used it yet. Oh, I bet it's just like unlimited. Oh no, that's really good, I think. I'm pretty sure that's like a really good power up. Come on. No, I believe in you. I believe in Steve. And Steve's, oh yeah. And Steve's grab the glory. All the way to victory. All the way. No. Alright. Okay, looks like we have to go. That's the end of the video. But guys? I've done 2 houses on my creative world, and that's crazy because like I've literally stopped like for ages because because I have kind of run out of ideas. But you know what? I just made houses. Why not? Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna try and make a third one tonight. But I'll make the household tomorrow if I do make it today. We'll have to see. I'm not sure if I'll make it today. The house or whatever I'm gonna make. Could be like a Target or anything. Alright, but thank you guys for watching, and go sub. Quick shout out. Sub to Jadom66 that's gaming, and sub to XXLarry02 gaming. Yeah, I got that right. I got his username right. Alright, but thank you guys for watching, and peace. I was actually struggling whether to say peace or bye or okay, let's just end the video.